Jai Sriman
Sumantra felt a little bit relaxed because at least Rama Pattabhishekam is not got disturbed. So he felt relieved from that shock, and now to bring Rama to this palace, Sumantra came out of Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. When he came out of the palace, in front of palace, it is like an ocean. So many people. Vasishtha Maharshi is there. All the Brahmanas are there. Great ministers are there. Entire army is there. Golden kalasas, silver kalasas, beautiful simhasanam, pavitra jalam, Ganga jalam, waters from Ganga river, waters from Yamuna river, waters from Godavari river, waters from Kaveri river, waters from Brahmavarta Saras, waters from Naimisaranyam, waters from Rudravarta Saras, waters from Gandaki river, waters from Sona river, waters from all oceans, everything kept ready in beautiful golden and silver kalasas for Rama Pattabhishekam. All those kalasas are glowing like anything. Sumantra is seeing everything the moment he came out of the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra also has seen so many kings came down and waiting for Dasharatha Maharaju, thinking that we have been waiting for so long, but Dasharatha Maharaju never comes out. Why? All those great kings are talking about this. Then Sumantra felt that these powerful kings have been waiting for Dasharatha Maharaju for so long. If Raja doesn't come out, it will be a dishonor to all of them. So I should again go back to Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra felt like that, and he went to all those kings and told them that Dasharatha Maharaju doesn't know that you all are here already. So let me go back. Actually, I am on my way to bring Rama here. But now I will go back again and tell Dasharatha Maharaju that you are all waiting here for him. Like that, Sumantra told all the kings and went back to the palace. Sumantra again came back to awaken Dasharatha Maharaju and started again praising Dasharatha Maharaju while requesting him to get up. Then Dasharatha Maharaju saying that, "Oh Sumantra, as my order, Kaikeyi already told you to go and get Rama here. Why did you not go? Why are you going against my orders? Come on, go. Right now leave from here and get Rama here." Like that, when Dasharatha Maharaju again passed his orders, then Sumantra left from there and he is now going towards Sri Ramachandra Swami's palace. He is looking at Rama Bhavanam. Tato dadarsa ruchiram Kailasa Sikhara Prabham. When Sumantra going towards Rama Bhavanam, from a distance, he is looking at Rama Bhavanam. It is glowing like Kailasa Sikharam. It is glowing like Devendra Bhavanam. Into such great Rama's palace, Sumantra is slowly approaching that palace with meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami with exclusive love and devotion. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.